Want to boost your Walmart sales fast? I'll show you how to create a promotion on Walmart. So Walmart seller promotion helps you get to page number 1 and have a strike-through discount. So if you just type in Pokemon plush on Walmart and you scroll down, you're going to see right here, it has this cross, like it's regular $28, now it's $13. This helps you get to the first page of Walmart. Walmart automatically promotes your listing, and you'll notice that all of a sudden you're generating sales. Now, this isn't a sure way to generate sales, but in my experience and with our clients, it has increased sales drastically if you run the campaign for 7 days with at least a 10% discount, right? So here's an example. This is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to log into Walmart Seller Center. Then you're going to go to pricing right here. And then you're going to go to promotions. Then you're going to run a promotion. Click create promotion. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. And then you just name your promotion, up to you on what you want to name it, right? Today's, let's say July 1st, 10% off. You have to give a minimum of 10% off for this to work. Okay. Percent off. I'm just going to do 10%, and you do the start date, and you do the end date, right? And I want to do it 7 days. So if I do it, let's say July 4th to July 11th, and I'm going to have it start and end, right? So for a full week, 10% off discount. That's how you get the biggest ROI. For the first 2 days, you might not see anything, but then all of a sudden, Walmart is prioritizing your listing and showing your listings on the first page since you have that strike-through discount and you're generating more sales. And that's what we want, right? So then you're going to click create promotion. Once you create that promotion, it's time to add products. I like to just add all of my products just to test it out, but you can add certain products. You just click assign items, assign those items, come back in an hour and just make sure you're going to go back to the promotions page, make sure it has your items on there. And then what you're going to do is once the campaign is running, check it out and it should have that strike through pricing, right? So it should have that strike through pricing on your listing. Then after around 2 days, you should be generating some type of sales. Now, if your product is just overpriced from the get and it's still overpriced, right? You're not going to be generating any sales. Or if your product has terrible reviews, you're not going to be generating sales. If it has no reviews, you should still be generating sales. But again, this works the best if you're already generating, let's say you're generating like 1 sale a day or 2 sales a week. This is what's going to get you to the next level. But if you're not generating any sales, right, this might not help. But I recommend it because it's free. You might as well try it out to see if it works. And it does work with our clients that are already generating sales and new items that don't have reviews. So try it out. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory, running promotions, calling Walmart, customer service, listing optimization, infringement removal, advertising design, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is you can spend time expanding your business while we're going to be the ones doing the day-to-day operations 7 days a week, making sure your account is good to go, helping you save time, money, and increasing sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.